Welcome to our exploration of cognitive limitations and consumer behavior, a key topic in intermediate microeconomics. Today, we will delve into the question, do people always act to maximize utility, or is this just another assumption about Homo economicus that doesn't hold up in reality? Let's begin by understanding the concept of bounded rationality. Imagine a graph on the left, illustrating a decision-making process. Traditional economic models assume that individuals have unlimited cognitive abilities to process information and make rational decisions. However, in reality, our cognitive capabilities are limited. This limitation means that people often settle for a satisfactory solution rather than the optimal one. On the right, you will see text highlighting these key points. Next, we move to the Kahneman-Tversky asymmetric value function. Visualize a curve on the left that represents how people perceive gains and losses. This function shows that losses loom larger than gains, meaning people experience losses more intensely than equivalent gains. This is a deviation from the rational model, where each unit of gain or loss should have the same impact. On the right, we emphasize this concept with bold text. Now let's discuss affective forecasting errors. Picture a graph depicting predicted versus actual happiness levels. People often misjudge how future events will affect their happiness. This error can lead to decisions that do not maximize utility in the long run. On the right, we summarize this with concise text. Finally, we explore judgmental heuristics and biases. Imagine a series of decision trees on the left, illustrating common shortcuts people use in decision-making. These heuristics can lead to systematic biases, such as overconfidence or anchoring, where initial information disproportionately influences decisions. On the right, we list these biases with clear text. In summary, while traditional economic models assume rational utility maximization, cognitive limitations lead to deviations in real-world consumer behavior. Understanding these concepts helps us better predict and explain consumer choices. Thank you for joining this session on cognitive limitations and consumer behavior. Remember, the key to mastering intermediate microeconomics is to challenge assumptions and explore the complexities of human decision-making.